All right, today I am reviewing this heated weighted blanket. It also massages, has a pretty long cord, stretches far enough to get to pretty much anything. You can see from sharper image, and you can turn on the heat. It has 3 different settings: low, medium, and high. And this has ceramic beads in it, which really heat up nice and evenly. They don't have like that weird like electric current. So they say you want to warm it up ahead of time and fold it in half, put it on high to preheat it to get it warm. And then it really starts to get warm. And it has, you can see them here and here. There's 2 like little massage things. And I got this for my kid who's neurodivergent, and it's really hard to get him to sleep. Like, it's already heating up. And he said he wanted a blanket that had massage. And this is what I found after doing some research, and this is what I got. And it really does help him get to sleep. So it has a couple different massage settings. And it has an auto off after 2 hours on the heat, which is nice. So you press it once on low, and it's like a burst. It goes like this. I don't know if you can hear it. The microphone, like burst, burst. Press it again, and it's just a constant, which is what he likes. So it has different settings and sensitivities depending on what you'd like. And I have this on high heat, and it's already heating up nice. So it does not take as long to heat up as you would think. It's also 4 pounds weighted, which is nice for that pressure. And then you hit massage again, and it goes into the a burst again, but now on medium, so it's a stronger burst. And then you hit medium, and it's just straight. And the high burst is very much a pulsing and very big. And then high. High is very high. Personally, he likes low on the steady. But everyone's going to be different, and it has the strength for whatever you'd want. And it is very comforting, nice to warm your lap up, and kind of gives a little circulation for the blood flow, helps soothing, calming, that, and the weight puts that pressure. It's like the size of your torso, or my torso. I'm 5'6", so it gets you about the size. So it's not a full-on blanket, but it's more of like something to put in your lap like this. And it really could help just get the blood flowing in your legs. So there's a lot of different uses for this, either for calming, for sensory issues, for the heat, for the weight, for a little circulation. You know, maybe like you could put on your lower legs, don't get much blood flow to it. You could put it down on your low legs. Some people, as they get older, have that issue. So it's a very good product. The one thing I will say, it seems after about 10 minutes, the massage stops, which is a little frustrating when you're trying to put a kid to sleep, because then that kicks us all out of it if he doesn't go to sleep within 10 minutes. But generally with this, he falls asleep within 10 minutes, which is nice. The cord's plenty long. It detaches here as well for cleaning. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.